chord, A, 2, 3. As Bill says at the bottom of the page, when moving from chord to chord, the best fingering is usually the one that involves the least movement in the left hand. Leaving one finger free for possible melodic additions is also important, is also an important factor. These are diatonic triads: C, D minor, E minor, F, G, F, G, F, C. It's actually just a good exercise to play these chords over and over again. Make sure you have rest stroke whenever you're playing chords that have the top note on any other than the first string. In the first two measures, and then you come back, you're playing these diatonic chords. In the second line, in the second measure, after the first ending, you have this. In those four measures, and as it continues, you not only have a chord, but you have melodic additions. That's why we're keeping that first finger and fourth finger free. You have to flatten your second finger to get the C sharp D. Then you're back to this E minor. So the most important notes are the top notes. That's your melody. So have that come out strong. Here you go. Now you have. Right. This is hard for me. That's the one of one section, end of one section. The first section, the first 8 measures, which are 4 measures repeated, and then going to the second ending, are statements of your triads. Then you have melodic embellishment over the triads. And then on the 5th line, second measure, you have low chords, like arpeggios. Make sure everything rings out. And you go back to the second measure of the second line. You know, that part. And then on the fourth line, next to the last measure, we're playing. And we jump to the coda. And low C. It's a big accomplishment to play this chord etude slowly, legato, with feeling, using dynamics. So take your time on it, and you'll get stronger, and you'll know what's happening next in each chord, so you can plan out your fingering. The only way to play this is to figure out what is the best fingering for you and to plan. It's not a sight reading.